To create a pulse in Messages, first of all, let's open the settings on our iPhone. First, after that, we need to go and search for the Messages on the bottom right there. Then enter the Messages options and make sure that the iMessage is active, otherwise the poll won't work. And keep in mind that all of the devices that will be using this conversation for polls needs to have iMessage active and iOS 26 update. When you have that ready on all of the devices, next step is to open Messages itself. Then create your conversation with multiple people, otherwise polls don't work as well. So add whichever people you want to have in that conversation. And then you can click on this plus button, and from those options you should be able to find a pulse. Now in this case I don't have it, since I don't know anyone from those contacts, and they may not have the iMessages active along with iOS 26 update. So make sure that you have all of the steps that I mentioned correctly, and after that you'll be able to create polls. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.